Then we'll just rub it on our fish. Okay? Okay, guys. That's it. Of course, first we have to do here on the belly first. Okay. Then make sure you put all in the opening here in our slit or the cut. Okay. And the back side, of course. Don't forget the other side. Both sides. You have to do it both sides. Okay, guys. Mag-English lang tayo, guys. Kasi baka may nanonood from the UK. Mayroong nanood, guys, from UK. Nag-comment siya. Isa lang naman. Okay. Yan. Ulit. Then the other one, of course, on the belly. Don't forget. Okay. Here. Don't forget on all the opening or the cut. Okay, or the slit. Backside. Okay. Yes. Yes, yes, yo. Yes. Yes, yes. Okay, guys. Yan na siya, guys. Ang ating fish, baked fish. Okay, lagyan pa natin on top. More toppings on top. Okay. Okay. Yan na siya, guys. Okay, yan. Simutin ang... Okay, guys, I will wash my hands first. Then, we start our oven. Heat down first, guys. Then, after 30 minutes, both up and down. Because we are going to cover our fish with the foil. Okay. And cover it first, guys. Then remove the cover. I think my foil is just enough. Don't throw your foil. The one, if it's still clean, you can reuse it. When you have like foil from the store or from the shop or restaurant, they wrapped so you can still reuse it as long as it's still clean. Okay, so we will bake it, guys. Okay, then I'll show it to you here. I'll put it here on our oven. Then later I'm going to post the finished product on my channel. Okay. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Just watch out for the finished product later, guys. I will post it on my channel. Okay? Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you all.